Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick twisted body pose. So we have explored other twisted body poses as well, but we are doing one which is sort of an extreme pose in itself, and we'll see how this works out. So we are putting in the frame. Please use very light strokes. We always mention that they are very instrumental and having corrections done if there are any errors. So we have the shoulder set right here, torso, lower part of the body right around there. So we have moved that down a little bit, and we can move things as we go along. So we have one leg and knee and shin and foot right there. We have the other leg and shin and foot right around here. And what we're doing is a few different things with the frame here. So the shoulder set right around there. Let's say the collar is here, and there are a few things that we can really work into this pose. So let's first put down the stable element, and that is the really squatting sort of lower body right there, foot, shin, and we have covered that that particular area by putting that down. But then we have a few things that we can do with this. So let's say that we are showing a straightforward thing. So right here we have arm, fist, chest, and the collar was right there. Person's looking like that way, and we have the other arm back there somewhere. We could have the other arm here as well. So it's sort of a really squished running pose if you want to go about it that way. But then what we can also do is have a crunch come in as we had started here, and then we place the shoulder here, place the other shoulder right here, and we could go like that. So arm, the other arm, let's say going on the floor, pecs right around here, and then there'll be a lot of like twisted details here depending on if the person is wearing something. Head right around here, and this arm going just outward. Or this arm also going here. Let's say we're showing a really contorted comic book moment where we're showing that the character is like maybe trying to maneuver past some kind of impediment that is overhead, and we have that, and we can have in this also, without trying to make it look too convoluted. We'll try this. We could also have the character look that way. So looking that way. So all those different things without moving the legs. We're going to grab ourselves a marker and see if we can outline one of the more contorted positions, just to make things a little more clear. We have outlined one of the poses that we put down, and see how this like really works. Very awesome, very dynamic. Please do try it out. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Let us have your recommendations, your comments. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.